Hi, today we're going to be talking about our lungs. Our lungs are an essential part of our body. They're an organ that allows us to be able to exchange gas and receive oxygen into our body and be able to exhale waste products. So in order to see how this process works, we're going to build a fake lung. What you're going to need for this project is a pop bottle, a straw, an elastic band, some scissors, a couple of balloons, and I've got a little bit of my kids' Play-Doh here. Okay, we're going to start out by separating this plastic bottle, the top from the bottom. And this is a little bit difficult. You can get hurt, so make sure that you have your parents help you out with this. I actually did this earlier, and so once you've got this done, you can just discard the bottom half. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our balloons and we're going to tie a knot in it. Okay, and then we're going to cut the bottom part off of our balloon here. Discard that as well. Okay, so basically what we've got here is we've got this pop bottle that's going to act kind of like the rib cage, or this outer casing that kind of protects our lungs and our heart and our diaphragm. Okay, and then we're going to take this balloon here and we're going to put it on the bottom of that pop can or that pop bottle, and it's going to act as the diaphragm. And this can be a little bit difficult, but you're just going to stretch it out. Stretch it out and over. Oh, see? I messed up. Try one more time. But I'm going to have to trim my bottle here just a little bit. All right, let's try this one more time. Okay. It works, yay! Okay, now we're going to take this elastic band and I'm just going to use it to kind of secure that on there so it doesn't pop off. Okay, this bottom part of the balloon, this knotted part, this works like the diaphragm that sits at the bottom of our lungs, okay? And it's going to be what draws air into the lung and allows air to be expelled out of the lung. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our other rubber band, or our other balloon, and we're going to put it down inside the bottle. Okay, and I'm just going to take the top of this balloon and, wow, I'm struggling, and I'm going to stretch it out and over the top of this bottle. Like so, okay? Then I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to put my straw down inside there. And I have this balloon inside here is going to act as the lung, okay? And we've got our windpipe here, and our windpipe, the straw is going to act as the windpipe, and it's going to go down our esophagus. I'm going to take a little bit of my kids' Play-Doh here and I'm going to seal that hole off, okay? Because I don't want air to escape out of there. I only want air to be able to go down the windpipe and out of the windpipe. I'm just going to try not to crush my straw while I make a little seal here. Pat it down there. Okay. Okay, let's see if air will go in. Okay, great, it does. So it's ready to work now. Now we've got our model lung completed, we can demonstrate how the lung inside our body works. Now remember, this bottom is our diaphragm, the lung inside, or the balloon inside is our lung. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on the bottom of the diaphragm. And when I do this, it's going to allow extra space inside this cavity, or back behind here, okay? And it's going to allow the lung to fill up with air. Okay? So what it's doing is it's building space in there, and so it's drawing air down the windpipe and into the lung. And then when I let go, it's deflating and expelling that air up and out. And that's kind of how our lungs work. I hope that this helped you understand what the physical and mechanical functions of our lungs are, and kind of gives you kind of a hands-on look and feel to what goes on inside of our own bodies.